Hello everyone. This question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of data handling. This is second question of its exercise 3.2. So the question says that the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. Find the mean, mode and median of this data. Are the three same? So firstly हम इन्हें ascending order में rearrange कर लेंगे. So 6, 8, 10, 10, then 15 3 times, then 50, then 80, then 10. So हमने इन्हें अरेंज कर दिया है असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में 80 then 100 then mean is equal to sum of observations upon number of observations. So 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 50 plus 80 plus 100 upon 11. So ये हमारे पास 429 upon 11. So ये mean हो जाएगा हमारे पास 11 3s are 33 and 9s are 19, 39. And mode is equal to the variable which occurs most frequently. So by observing 15 is frequency of 15 is 3, which is maximum in the observations. So यहाँ mode हो जाएगा हमारे पास 15 and median is the middlemost term और यहाँ पर हमारे पास 11 observations है. So value of 11 plus 1 by 2 observation. So हो जाएगा हमारे पास 12 plus upon 2 is equal to 6th observation. So 6th observation है हमारे पास 1 2 3 4 5 6 is equal to 50. So mean है हमारे पास 39, mode 15 and median is also 15. Find are the three same. So mode and median same है but mean नहीं है, so answer हो जाएगा no. Thank you.